In this video, you will learn how the MAX30100 Pulse Oximeter works, how to interface it with Arduino, and how to read heart rate and SpO2 values in real time. Welcome to Polonium Technologies. What is MAX30100? Let us first understand what the MAX30100 sensor is. The MAX30100 is a pulse oximeter and heart rate sensor. It is used to measure blood oxygen saturation, also known as SpO2, and heart rate. And the best part is, it works in a completely non-invasive way.
How it works. Now let us understand how it works. The sensor has two LEDs, one red and one infrared. These lights pass through your finger. Oxygenated and deoxygenated blood absorb light differently. A photodetector measures the reflected light and calculates your heart rate and oxygen level. This is how the sensor gives accurate readings.
Key features. Now, let us look at some important features. It operates at low voltage, typically between 1.7 to 3.3 volts. It uses very low power, making it ideal for wearable devices. It supports I2C communication, which makes it easy to connect with microcontrollers.
Pin configuration. Let us now understand the pinout. VIN, power supply. GND, ground. SCL, clock line for I2C communication. SDA, data line for I2C communication. INT, interrupt pin. These pins make it simple to interface with Arduino. Code overview. Now let us understand the code. First, we include the required libraries, Wire and MAX30100 Pulse Oximeter library. Then we initialize the sensor. If the sensor is not detected, it shows a failed message. If everything is correct, it starts reading data. The code continuously updates sensor values and prints heart rate and SpO2 on the serial monitor every second.
Important tip, common issue. Now here's something very important. Many users face issues with this sensor. Sometimes it shows failed or doesn't give proper readings. This usually happens due to incorrect pull-up resistors or high LED current. You can fix this by adjusting the LED current or modifying the pull-up resistors. Output. Once everything is working correctly, you will see real-time heart rate in BPM and oxygen level percentage on the serial monitor. You can place your finger on the sensor and instantly get readings. Applications. Now let us look at where this sensor is used. Health monitoring devices, fitness trackers, wearable technology, medical applications, and IoT-based healthcare systems.
So in this video, you learned how the MAX30100 sensor works, how to connect it with Arduino, and how to read heart rate and SpO2 values. If this video helped you understand biomedical sensors, give it a like. Subscribe to Polonium Technologies for more electronics and Arduino tutorials. And comment below what project you want next. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.